When we got our new EC, my husband and I were browsing through the website for interior design firm. So we decided to choose Carpenters Design because we are very impressed by their overall work. And when I got to the showroom, we first met up with Celeste. She's very patient and she actually gone through various design ideas with us, meeting our requirements and the needs of our families. When we got the key, actually we are in quite a bit of rush to move in. So she managed to coordinate everything smoothly and we moved in on time. And even after we have shifted in, she continues to help us in some of the changes that I would like to make in my new house. So I'm very impressed by Celeste and also Carpenters for their good services and design rendered. So I will definitely recommend them to my friends and family also. Thank you, Carpenters, for the good job.